Hi kitty girls, I'm Tim MUA and welcome back to my channel. So today we're gonna do something really fun and something I'd never thought I'd ever do, and we're gonna unbox my first ever Anastasia Beverly Hills PR package. First of all, I want to say a huge thank you to Anastasia, Norvina and the whole ABH team for giving me this huge opportunity and sending me all these products to create some awesome looks for you guys. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up down below and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see everything swatched, unboxed and see everything that I got, please keep on watching. The thing I was most excited for and the first thing I got is all the eyeshadow palettes. I really love the ABH eyeshadow formula and I owned the Riviera palette and the Modern Renaissance palette before, so I was really excited to get more of these in the mail. The first palette I got was another Riviera palette, then I got another Modern Renaissance palette, I got the Prism palette, then I got the Norvina palette, and I got the Soft Glam palette. Not only did I get all the ABH eyeshadow palettes, but I got 2 palettes full of single shadows. I really love single shadows because you can customize your own palette and only buy the colors you really use. And if you run out, you can just buy one new color and you don't have to buy a new palette. So I really love these. Then I got a lot of these matte lipsticks, which I'm really excited for because I didn't own many lipsticks before. Because I'm really a liquid lipstick kind of gal, but I'm really excited to try these. I got the lipsticks in the shades Soft Touch, Nude, Peachy, Honey, Staunch, Kiss, Petal, Spice, Buff, Hollywood, Sweet Pea, Sedona, Soft Pink and Dead Roses. Then I got a lot of these liquid lipsticks, which I'm really excited about. The formula is really nice because I've tried them before. And they are super waterproof and not too thick, which means they won't go crusty on me. I got them in the shades Milkshake, Naked, Pure Hollywood, Crush, Stripped, Starfish, Haze, Roxanne, Hudson, Ashton, Confused, American Doll, Catherine, Allison, Catnip, Dusty Rose, Veronica and Trouble. I also got a lot of these lip glosses, and let me tell you, these glitter ones especially are so pretty. I got them in the shades Moon Jelly, Venus, Estella, Sumscape, Parfait, Girly, Metallic Rose, Luna, Chill Dove, Undressed, Butterscotch, Toffee, Caramel, Sepia, Phony and Dusty Lilac. Moving on from the lip to the skin products, I got 2 bronzers in the shades Rosewood and Tawny. I got 2 blush trios in the shades Pink Passion and Pool Party. I got the Sugar Glow Kit, the Dream Glow Kit and the Moonchild Glow Kit. I got all 3 loose highlighters in the shades Snowflake, So Hollywood and Sunset Aura. I got the Dewy Set Setting Spray. And last but not least, I got 6 foundation sticks in the shades Warm Ivory, Ivory, Porcelain, Warm Porcelain, Warm Alabaster and Alabaster. Moving on from skin to brows, I got the Brow Pencil, the Brow Definer, the Brow Wiz, the Brow Powder Duo, the Dip Brow Pomade, the Clear Brow Gel, and last but not least, the new Dip Brow Gel. I also got the Jet Waterproof Creme Liner and the Dark Side Waterproof Creme Eyeliner Pencil, which are both black. And last but not least, I got a bunch of brushes, an Anastasia sharpener, a pair of Anastasia scissors, a pair of tweezers, and of course the famous Anastasia handheld mirror. So that's all for today's video, you guys. I want to say a huge thank you to Anastasia, Norvina and the whole ABH team again for giving me this amazing opportunity and making it possible to make this video in the first place. If you'd like this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up down below. Also, comment what your favorite product was in the comment section down below. If you'd like to see more from me, you can also follow me on Instagram. It's timk.mua. There will also be a link in the description. I hope to see you in the next one. Bye!